Good morning everyone. Today we are learn analog and digital switching. In the figure, analog switching using analog switches are shown. Here analog incoming trunks are received and analog outgoing trunks at the output end are shown. Analog switching refers to switching of analog signals using analog switches. The system uses analog signals on line side and trunk outside of the switch on both the ends. Analog lines or trunks are interfaced with digital system with the help of analog to digital converter and digital to analog converter as required. Hence, analog switching system requires analog to digital converter and digital to analog converter in order to process digital signals. Next is the diagram of digital switching system. First diagram shows analog switching system and second diagram shows digital switching system. Digital switching refers to switching of digital signals using digital switches. Digital switches can interact with each other via digital trunks while simultaneously supporting analog lines and analog trunks. There is no analog lines trunks in digital switching system. Hence, all the communications between digital switches are carried out via digital signaling. Figure shows basic structure of digital switching system. Here, line modules, trunk modules, switching fabric, IC, SC, network control processor, central processor duplicated are used for digital switching system. So, uh, from the figure depicts various modules of digital switching system as shown. Line modules, LMs, trunk modules, TMs are the major building blocks of such system. The other modules include interface controller IC, switching fabric service circuits SC, central processor, network control processor, etc. Here, switching fabric means switching matrix which is used to switch lines and trunks under the control of central processor and network controllers. Basic difference of analog switching and digital switching. Analog switching operates on analog signals and digital switching operates on digital signal. Analog switching requires analog switches for its operation. Digital switching requires digital switches for its operation. Analog switching has slow speed of operation. Digital switching has fast in speed of operation. Analog switching performance is good. Digital switching performance is best compared to analog switching. Analog switching does not require memory for its operation. Digital switching requires memory to store calling and called party informations. So after the analog and digital switching, here we discuss analog switch and digital switch. Basic switch structure of analog switch is shown in figure. Analog switch operates on analog signals. Its function is designed to pass or to isolate analog signal. In other words, it is a switching device which helps in switching or routing analog signals based on control signals. Analog switch examples are CD4066P CMOS quad bilateral switch. Analog switch usually consists of pair of MOSFET transistor, one N channel devices and other is P channel device. The device shown in figure can pass signals in either direction during on state and isolate terminals during off state. Control input with positive and negative voltages are used to make device on and off respectively. The device is called parallel N channel P channel FET switch. Diagram shows digital switch. Digital switch image. Here A1 to 8 are incoming trunks and B1 to B8 are outgoing trunks which are connected through digital switch. Digital switch exhibits capability to pass analog signals satisfactorily. Digital switches are used in computing applications for multi-bit switching. There are wide applications of digital switches which include multiplexing of USB peripherals, Ethernet multiplexing, etc. Figure depicts digital switch logic diagram. Switches are incorporated between input lines A1 to A8. So there is a wide applications of digital switches which include multiplexing of USB peripherals, Ethernet, etc. Difference between analog switch and digital switch. Analog switch operates mainly for analog signals. Digital switch operates for digital signals. Analog switch has high power consumption. Digital switch low power consumption. Analog switch has lower performance. Digital switch has higher performance. Analog switch has lower speed of operation due to analog components. Digital switch has higher speed of operation. Analog switch cannot be stored. Digital switch can be stored in digital form. Analog switch is more expensive while digital switch is less expensive. Thank you.